Meet Chuck. He's the head of global tech, strategy, and innovation at a large public sector organization. He's got a challenge to solve. Okay, maybe it's more than one challenge. He needs to elevate citizen experiences, streamline complex operations, automate compliance documentation, and effectively manage e-signatures. SDocs offers a solution that seems to fit the bill. Let's take a closer look at how SDocs can help a public sector organization like Chuck's solve those challenges. Chuck needs to elevate citizen experiences with SDocs. Citizens can conveniently generate and access documents on demand from Experience Cloud portals. By delivering services digitally, Chuck will be able to accelerate responsiveness and build trust. Salesforce approval workflows help make submitting documents a seamless experience for both citizens and government employees. Public sector organizations are often tasked with managing complex operational requirements. With SDocs, Chuck's team can use templates to automatically create and send mission-critical documents. This will help Chuck ensure that the data in their documents is accurate while reducing the burden of manual processes. User access controls can be set to allow live editing and on-the-fly customization for greater flexibility while maintaining compliance requirements with built-in version control. Chuck also needs to automate his organization's compliance documentation. With SDocs, Chuck's team can upload their own pre-approved PDFs, then drag and drop Salesforce fields onto them to create pixel-perfect templates. SDocs is native to Salesforce, so data stays in Salesforce and is processed without the need for third-party connectors. Chuck can define exactly when to send and store documentation, helping his organization to stay compliant with industry regulations. In the public sector, managing signature workflows can be time-consuming. SDocs will make it easier for Chuck's team to keep projects moving by digitally executing all types of agreements. With built-in encryption, audit trails, and document tracking, SDocs helps ensure compliant approval workflows, so Chuck's team can effectively manage e-signatures across their organization. Chuck is convinced that SDocs is the right fit to help his organization reach its strategic goals faster. Smart Chuck, very smart. Check out SDocs on AppExchange to learn more.